Sometimes you got to tell God, just go ahead and throw the dirt on me. Can I get a witness? Look at somebody and say, just go ahead and throw the dirt on me. Sometimes you got to tell God, just go ahead and bury me. They trying to kill me anyhow. They trying to kill me with that lie. They trying to kill me with that scandal. I ain't got nobody in here. They trying to kill me with that old crazy look. So sometimes you got to tell God, just go ahead and bury me. Because I know if you do it, you gonna have compassion, and you ain't gonna leave me. Y'all ain't saying nothing here. I know if I go on yield up the ghost, if I go on commit my will unto you, Lord, I don't know who I'm preaching to, but look at your name and say, you can live again. Somebody came this morning, God is saying unto you, it's time to get up from that defeated state. I don't know who I'm preaching to, but let me tell you this about life. Life is not about having a whole lot of possession. Yeah, y'all ain't gonna talk to me. Some of us feel good because we have a whole lot of stuff. Baby, I can make it on look at somebody and say, I have learned how to be content in whatever state I am. I ain't trying to prove nothing to you. I want you to tell somebody and say, I ain't trying to prove nothing to you. I want you to understand that's not what this is about. I learned how to trust him. I learned how to depend on him. Here this woman was at the tomb. The disciples is there. Now notice when they looked in there, they seen the garments all folded up real neat. That let me know it was not a thief, because if a thief had been there, the thief would not have taken time to wrap up the grave linen. Look at your neighbor and say, neighbor, you ain't having no trouble with no thief. It ain't the thief that's trying to. You only gonna talk to me here, but tell somebody, say, that's not how the story is. Can you give somebody some depth sitting next to you and say, he's getting ready to bring you out? I don't know what you've been in, but this is the Sunday that God is gonna live you beyond your trial. God is gonna live you beyond that nightmare. God is gonna live you beyond that struggle. Is there anybody here that can say, I'm tired? I'm tired of struggling. Sometimes you got to talk to yourself. Look at somebody and say, holla back. See, I'm talking to you this morning, and I need you to holler back. Holler back at me. I'm tired of struggling. I'm tired of being around faking funny folk. I need somebody that believe in me. I need somebody that care enough for me that'll come to the tomb early. Look at your neighbor and say, neighbor, if you're with me, I really need you to be with me. Say yes in here. Woo! I feel like having church. Lean on somebody in here and say, that's not how the story is. I know I got a felony, but I got faith in God. That's not how the story is. You ain't happy me. Tell somebody, I'm getting out of this cemetery. Ain't going all right. I'm coming out, and I'm coming out all right. I'm coming out, and I'm coming out better. I'm coming out, and I'm coming out wiser. I'm coming out, and I'm coming out stronger. I'm coming out. Shake somebody's hand. Tell them this morning that this is your morning to come on out. Come on. Let's go higher. Shake somebody's hand. Say, come on. Let's go higher. You don't belong there. Come on. Let's go higher. Can't stay where you are. The Lord is sending you. Come on. Get on your feet. Let's go high. Let's go higher. I know you got your spices, and I know what you're coming to do. But Jesus, look better. Say, why are you crying in this cemetery? I want you to bump somebody that's real serious about your love for God. That your crying days is over. I want you to understand, God, get ready to wipe all tears from your eyes. What made you cry last week? What made you cry last from your eye. Say yeah, say yeah, say yeah. Say, I know you cried last week. I know you cried last night. But I heard Jesus say, your crying days is over. Shake somebody's hand. Say, I want you to know you ain't got to cry no more. God said it ain't over. Run to somebody. Say, you ain't got to cry no more. God. Yes, I know you're looking for me. You thought I was dead. Look at somebody. Say, I know what you did. You thought I was dead, but I'm back. I'm back. Here I am. I'm back with my joy. I'm back with my strength. Tell somebody, say, I'm ready. Yes, what did you find when you looked in now? He was there. Shake somebody's hand. Say, that used to be, but it ain't no more. He said, woman, why weepest thou? And who you looking for? She's supposing him. See, when God do a transformation on you, folk can't recognize you. Folk can't recognize your anointing. They looking at you, but they can't see the real you. Can't recognize. They know what you was, but they don't know who you are. Look at it. Can't recognize it. Because something is different. I want 12 folk that'll say something is different. When I got up this time, tell somebody, I know I was down. I know I was messed up. But when I got up this time, anybody got up this time? Look at it. Thought he was the gardener. Now, ain't no gardener gonna be there that early at that time. Then she said, sir. She didn't call him master. See, when folk don't know who you are, y'all, I'm gonna leave y'all alone. And then when they don't want to respect you, you ain't never got to call me bishop. You don't never got to call me pastor, preacher, or whatever. Just don't call me out my name. I ain't got no problem answering to Stanley. That don't bother me. I ain't gonna let you call me out my name. I ain't gonna let you call me a son of a biscuit eater, y'all. You're going to stay sanctified. Supposing him to be. I can say right there 10 minutes. Supposing him to be. See, that's all some folk want to do is suppose you to be somebody that you're not. Look at somebody and say, you don't have to feel that order. Supposing him to be the gardener, the Son of God. How you gonna miss him? Look at somebody and say, how you gonna miss Jesus?